fourth main, children. Evaluate 1 by 3 to the power minus 1 minus 1 by 4 to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus 1 is there. If you look at the question, it seems like so difficult it is. But it is very simple. In just 2 steps you can write the answer or simplify, children. How? Means just now I solved the problem of previous 5th May. Any number, if at all it is having to the power minus 1, like a to the power m is 1 by a to the power minus m, or a to the power minus m is 1 by a to the power m. What I mean by these two laws is, children, any exponent, if it is in the numerator, if you are sending it to denominator, the exponent will become minus. If at all any number is having exponent to the power minus 1, when you are sending it to the denominator also it becomes minus 1. So, if you apply that law here to this problem, both the exponents are minus 1 here. If I apply them individually, 1, it is of the form a power m, base are different now, a by b whole to the power m is a to the power m divided by b to the power m. This law of exponent we are applying here. Base values a and b are different, but the exponent minus 1 is same both for the numerator and the denominator. So, a by b whole to the power m. A by b and the base are different. Exponent is common for both under m. So, for both numerator and denominator you have to give the exponents. That is what the law says. So, 1 to the power minus 1 divided by 3 to the power minus 1 minus 1 to the power minus 1 by 4 to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus 1 as it is. Now, 1 to the power minus 1 when I send to denominator, it will become 1 to the power plus 1. 3 power minus 1 when I send to denominator, it will become 3 power plus 1. Similarly, this will become 4 divided by 1. It is simply 3 minus 4 which is equal to minus 1. That's all. Plus 3 minus 4 is minus 4, children. Now, this problem, if you observe, second problem will also, it is of the form a by b whole to the power m, which is equal to a to the power m divided by b to the power m. Base values are different, different. Exponents are same. So, using this law of exponent, we will write it as 5 to the power minus 7 divided by 8 to the power minus 7 into, similarly same law, 8 to the power minus 4 divided by 5 to the power minus 4. Here, if you may be thinking that now we have to reduce 8 into the simplest form of multiples and write. But I am not going to do in that problem. If you have thought like that, yes, you are right. But I am not doing that step in this problem. Why do you think, children? It is because if you observe, these two base values are same and these two base values are same, isn't it? When so, you can group them. I am happily grouping them. You can group them so, provided there is multiplication sign in between. ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ or minus ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ we will have to take LCM and then simplify, isn't it? We cannot take. Thanks to multiplication sign here, so that you can group them however you want, because it makes no difference whenever you are taking multiplication sign in between. So, in the next step, by grouping 5 to the power minus 7 in the numerator as it is, divided by, I will just send 5 to the power minus 4 here for the grouping purpose, so that the base values become same. That is our aim here. Base values same ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ group ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Grouping can be done like this however you want, provided there is multiplication sign in between only. If plus, minus or divided by sign is there, you cannot replace the terms like this, children. into as it is 8 to the power minus 4 in the numerator as it is. This 8 to the power minus 7 I am grouping with this since the base values become equal or same by doing so. Now this is of the form a to the power m divided by a to the power n, which is equal to a to the power m minus n. Both 5 and 8 are of the same form. So using that law of exponent, now what is a value for first one is 5. What is m? Minus 7. What is n? Minus 4. Similarly, for the second term, a is 8, m is minus 4 and n is minus 7. You have negative exponents everywhere. Be careful with the sign, children. Now when we apply this law of exponent, a to the power m minus n. What is a? 5 to the power m. Andre minus 7. Write them in bracket. I always tell you. Minus n andre minus of minus 4. Into sign I will carry over as it is. Now a value is 8 to the power m andre minus 4 minus of minus 7. That is equal to 5 to the power minus 7 as it is. Now you have to multiply this minus into minus, which becomes plus 4 into 8 to the power minus 4. Minus into minus is plus 7. Now we will simplify. 5 to the power minus 7 plus 4 andre it is minus 3. Highest number sign. 8 to the power minus 4 plus 7 andre it is plus 3 we got. In the next step, I want to always, children, to simplify, the numbers should not have negative exponents. You should make it positive. Andre minus 3 na you should make it plus 3. How do you make minus 3 plus 3? Simple. Send it to denominator. So 5 to the power minus 3 will become 5 to the power plus 3 when I send it to the denominator. 8 power 3, no issues. Why? It already has positive exponent. So, now further 8 and 5 are different. You need not split 8 and write again as the product. Why? Directly we will do like 1 divided by 5 cube andre 5 into 5 into 5 into in the numerator 8 cube you have means 8 into 8 into 8, which is, I will write one more step here. What is 8 cube? 8 8 is 64. 64 into 8 when you do 512 you will get, divided by, just now we wrote somewhere 5 cube is what? 125. 512 by 125 is the answer. You need not simplify further. You can stop at that point. That is how you will solve. Look, children, each problem what we are solving here are different. It is not like one problem kalpitra ella we can do anta. You can do unless you know which law you have to apply, how you have to simplify, concentrate on the base and its exponents as well. So this is about your 6th main. We are left with last main of this exercise. 7th main, I will clean the board and do it for you children.